Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can set sale price on Shopify products. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you the steps today in this video, and you're going to be able to set sale price on Shopify products easily, okay? So now I'm going to my phone, and the first thing that I'm going to do, which is I am going to my browser. So let's open browser. Okay, so now I'm on the help center of Shopify. So we are in the official website of Shopify, and as you can see, they showed us the steps that we need to follow. So if you are using your desktop, the first thing that you need to do from your Shopify admin, go to products. Second, click the product that you want to edit. Third, which is in the pricing section, do the following thing. First of all, in the compare at price field, enter the product's original price. Second, in the price field, enter the product's new sale price. Third, make sure that the value in the compare at price field is higher than the value in the price field to display the sale price. Fourth, which is click save. And after clicking on save, you just did it. You just set like sale price on Shopify product. And as I told you guys, it's not something difficult. It's so easy, just some simple steps that you need to follow, and you're going to be able to set sale price on Shopify products on your desktop. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future. And see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.